If you cannot control this step well, your business will never get succeed. For example, this bag is $5 in China. It can be sold $100 in your country. It is very profitable. It can be either yes or no. It's a logistic. Today I am going to show you how logistic company in China work. Let's go. Hello, Penny.
Hello, Jane. Hello.
Penny is my good and reliable friend in Shenzhen. She has a logistics company here. She will introduce how logistics company will work here. Let's go. This is the warehouse. Every day there will be hundreds and thousands of parcels or cartons arriving here. The warehouse here is over 2,000 square meters. They can also offer 60 to 90 days of free storage service. If you need quality check or changing the damaged packaging, they can also do it for you. What's she doing, Penny?
贴标客户是亚马逊的卖家。
So many organizations, logistics companies will help shipping products by sea, air, and railway. No matter your experience or only a starter, they can assist you with from shipping to custom errors and insurance. Penny told me they have more than 20 staff this year, but could serve over 160 countries now. Well, it's not difficult to start your own business, but it's really difficult to improve all the details. You need one or two real friends in China. Okay, I will leave the Penny's contact information in the comment section or here. Follow them to know more about Business China. It's Jen. Love you.